And you sort of want me with you and downrange, right?
Yep.
Okay.
It's recording right now.
Okay.
Don't touch the screen, just hold it by the edges. And don't put your finger in front of it. Did you touch the screen?
No.
Still recording. Top
Little
left.
red lights flashing. Don't point it at me. Okay.
Five.
All right. Wait a minute. That's isn't very good.
You want to move over there again?
All right, go ahead.
Just move over there.
I want to at least see the gun. Yeah, that's good.
Going now.
He killed the target. i.e. target is dead. Okay. What do you think?